And I do still have my Easter decorations up right now. I am in one of my husband's huge shirts. This is my day-to-day life.
Welcome to my house.
Welcome to my channel if you're watching from YouTube, and if this is on the Facebook page, welcome. There's Eva. I just wanted to share a little bit about my journey with y'all, this new journey that I'm starting as far as not really weight loss, just kind of getting healthier, and I'm looking to build more muscle in my body, so I don't want to lose weight. I'm just looking to kind of bulk up a little. That sounds so weird since I'm a girl saying that. But I just wanted to start this page and this part of my channel just so that I can, I'm going to be trying to share a lot of motivational stuff, just encouragement, and we just need a place really on social media where you can come and just kind of get loved on, and where we can just talk about Jesus, talk about all of our problems, our mom problems, our day-to-day, just anything. If you have prayer requests, anything that you need or that you want to vent about, that's what this page is going to be about. You know, as women, we're always going through this, oh, I want to lose weight, I want to get healthier, So if that's you, I will have stuff on this channel for that portion. That's what this video is going to kind of be centered around. I'm showing y'all how I'm doing some meal prepping for the week, and just what's kind of going on so far right now with my diet plan and all of that. But if you're not interested in that, if you are just content already with your weight and everything, that's amazing. And there will be other videos, there will be other posts and content on here that is relatable to you. So I'm going to try to post multiple times a week. I'm going to be trying to reach all different areas of life. Like I said, I don't want this to just be like a health and wellness kind of thing. I want this to also just be somewhere where we can talk about our faith, talk about our kids, our family, anything like that. So welcome to my channel, welcome to my house, welcome to my crazy life. And I do still have my Easter decorations up right now. I am in one of my husband's huge shirts. This is my day-to-day life when I don't have to go out for real estate. So I just want to welcome y'all to the madness, and I can't wait for you to join this journey with me, and I'll look forward to hearing from y'all. Gotta go check on these little kids. Bye.
I'm just cutting up a bell pepper, and I'm about to put it into the tinfoil bowl that I made. This is for the grill, so that Matt can grill them without them actually touching the grill. And I just put it in there, and I'll show you in a minute how I make that. Now I'm cutting up an onion, and I'm only going to put half of the onion into this bowl because I'm going to use the other half for the next bowl that I'm about to show you how to make. And I just pull apart the onion and I put it into the bowl with the bell pepper. And I'm going to add the olive oil onto the onions, and then I'll also add the olive oil over the cucumbers that I cut up. And then here is the Himalayan pink salt that I'm going to add to the cucumbers as well. This is liquid aminos, and I'm putting that all over the onions and the bell pepper with a little bit of garlic powder as well. Garlic powder, not salt. There's enough sodium in the liquid aminos and everything else that we're using. Here I'm just making a bowl, the tinfoil bowl that I was telling y'all about. I am using one piece of tinfoil here, putting it into a regular bowl to get its form. And then I add a second piece. I do 3 layers of this because I do pick this up. It's really thin tinfoil that I get from the Dollar Tree. I pick it up every time we go. So if you're using regular tinfoil, you could probably just do 2 layers of this because it is a little thicker. Here is the chicken that I've put in the pan, and I'm just going to put some olive oil all over it just so that I can get the seasonings and the marinade to stick to it really well. And this is good for cooking. I am putting some liquid aminos in this as well, just so it can sit in there, along with some black pepper. So I'm just adding a little splash of Worcestershire sauce. I can never say that. And then a little bit of garlic powder as well. Then I'm gonna add some of this McCormick's brown sugar bourbon, and I just put it all over. I love the way it tastes. It gives it a little bit of a kick. Right now, gonna add in some videos. Matt just went outside. He bought me a beautiful lily for Easter. I almost said Christmas. Easter, and it's been in the house. Did actually water it. I will say that. I watered it when he first brought it home like 2 days ago, but today it was really wilted and withered, and I was looking at it and thinking, backstory on me and plants, I cannot keep them alive. So I was apologizing. He's so cute. He always brings me like plants or flowers or anything like that, and I told him today, I'm like, I'm so sorry, like I can keep little people alive, I cannot keep a plant alive. That I have no green thumb. Like my mom did not pass that down to me. So he's got the grill heated up, and I'm just, oh my god, my forehead, not my forehead. I just wanted to show y'all all the stuff while I'm prepping all of the seasons and spices and all that. Yeah. Let's go outside and see what Daddy's got cooking. Before y'all go judging, I love my corn a little crispy, so that's why he did that. Normally we do Mexican corn and we do it regular, but I can't have all that nonsense on there right now, so I just like it a little crispy, a little, more than a little bit. It is perfect. And these are more of the peppers, yum. And then here is all the chicken. Y'all, it's so good. And then I made these little cucumbers and then more peppers. So I can store, I'm gonna store one of these for the week. Then I'm gonna eat off of this and store the rest for the week in little containers. I'm gonna cut this corn in half. And then under here we have ribs. There's a whole slab of ribs we've been eating off of from last night. So yeah, it is good, good, good.